AI's shadow awakens in ancient tools. Abacus 2400 BC calculates, birthing logic machines humanity's first step into automation. Greek myths 800 BC. Automata gods craft moving statues. Hephaestus forges shadows of life imagination seeds AI dreams. 1950 Dartmouth Conference. AI term coined. McCarthy Turing gather formal birth. $1 bets on machine intelligence. Alan Turing 1950. Imitation game test. Enigma cracks. WWA AI thinks like humans. Shadows of sentience emerge. 1956. Logic theorist. First AI program proves theorems. Newell Simon create machines reason. AI winter looms ahead. 1960s Eliza. Chatbot mimics. Therapist. Therapists. Eisenbaum shocks humans bond machines. Ethical shadows stir. 1970s AI winter. Funding cuts 90%. Hype bursts. Light Hill report kills progress. Shadows of doubt freeze innovation. 1980s expert systems. Rule-based AI diagnoses. Diseases. $1 market practical shadows heal. Revive field. 1997 Deep Blue beats. Kasparov. IBM supercomputer triumphs. Chess mastery. AI outthinks champions. Fear shadows grow. 2000s big data era. Internet explodes info. ML algorithms learn patterns. Shadows feast on data oceans. 2011 Watson wins Jeopardy! $1 prize. Natural language masters AI converses. Commercial shadows expand. 2012 AlexNet. Deep learning crushes ImageNet. Error rate 15%. Vision awakens. CNN shadows see world. 2010s autonomous cars. Tesla Waymo Drive. 94% accident reduction. Potential mobility shadows steer future. 2016 AlphaGo defeats Go champion. Intuitive moves. Reinforcement learning strategy shadows conquer ancient game. 2020s LMS explode. GPT-3 175B parameters. Text generates. Human light creation shadows blur reality. 2023 Say Grok. Truth-seeking AI. Wow. Elon Musk founds universe understanding shadows probe cosmos. AI basics. Neurons mimic brain. Input layers process data. Shadows learn from patterns infinite. Machine learning. Data trains models predict. 80% AI today supervised unsupervised shadows adapt. Deep learning. Layers extract features. GPS power image speech masters. Complexity shadows deepen. Reinforcement. Trial error rewards. AlphaGo style decision. Shadows optimize chaos. Narrow AI. Task specific like Siri. 90% applications helpful shadows. Specialized daily light. General AI. Human level any task. Not yet potential shadows equal minds evolve. Super AI. Beyond human intelligence. Bostrom warns God-like shadows risk control loss. Training needs. Trillions parameters data. Google TPU farms energy shadows consume planets. Healthcare impact. AI detects cancer 90% accuracy. IBM Watson aids doctors life-saving shadows heal. Finance. 80% trades AI bots. High-frequency profits wealth shadows manipulate markets milliseconds. Environment. AI models climate 95% better. Google optimizes energy green shadows fight warming. Creativity. DALL-E Midjourney. Art from text. Millions jobs shift artistic shadows reinvent expression. Education. Khan Academy AI personalizes. 2x learning speed knowledge shadows. Democratize access. Military. Drones autonomous kill. 85 countries deploy lethal shadows wage future wars. Jobs lost. 47% at risk McKinsey. Automation factories economic shadows displace millions. Entertainment. Algorithms recommend 75% views. Netflix shadows curate binge worlds. Social. Feeds polarize opinions. Cambridge Analytica manipulates division shadows fracture society. Transport. Waymo 20 miles safe. Traffic deaths halve potential mobility shadows navigate chaos. Agriculture. Drones optimize yields 20%. John Deere AI farms food shadows feed billions. Bias risks. Datasets skew racial errors 34%. Facial rec fails minorities discriminatory shadows perpetuate injustice. Privacy erosion. AI tracks 2.5B cameras. China social credit surveillance shadows watch every move. Deepfakes. 96% undetectable videos. Misinfo spreads truth shadows deceive elections. Energy hog. Training GPT. 3, 1287. MWA. Carbon footprint rivals cities. Eco shadows. Darken planet. Weapon AI. Killer robots ban debates. UN warns ethical shadows arm apocalypse. Ethics need. EU AI Act regulates high risk. Transparency fairness. Guiding shadows human values. ASAE. Explain decisions. Black boxes open trust shadows illuminate mysteries. Collaboration. Humans AI augment. Doctors coders partner hybrid shadows empower. Global regs. Biden exec orders safety. International treaties controlling shadows prevent chaos. AI literacy. Schools teach ethics coding. 1B students need to wear shadows educate generations. AGI horizon. Experts predict 2040. General intelligence transformative shadows redefine existence. Quantum boost. Qubits solve impossible. Google supremacy speed shadows quantum leap thought. Neuralink. Brain-eye merge. Paralysis cures mind shadows fuse machine. Space. NASA AI navigates Mars. Say universe. Quest cosmic shadows explore stars. Singularity. Tech explodes post-AGI. Kurzweil. 2045. Evolution shadows accelerate beyond. Utopian potential. Poverty ends disease cures. AI shadows uplift humanity dreams. Dystopian fears. Control lost jobs gone. Skynet myths. Caution shadows. Temper hype. Alignment. Ensure AI values match humans. OpenAI efforts safe shadows align goals. Open source. Hugging face models free. Democratize collaborative shadows. Share power. Big players. Google DeepMind OpenAI race. $100 B investments innovation shadows compete fiercely. Startups disrupt. XA seeks truth. Grok humor diverse shadows challenge norms. Gov policies. US export controls. China 1M AI jobs. Geopolitics shadows. Strategize dominance. I. Reskill. 375M jobs shift. W2U. Learn AI tools. Adaptive shadows. Thrive change. Co-creation. Artists AI collaborate. New mediums inspired shadows blend talents. Sustainable dev. Goals AI accelerates. Carbon cut 10% Earth shadows guard planet. Mitigate bias. Audits diverse data. Fairness tools cleanse shadows equalize. Privacy laws. GDPR fines. $1. Data shields protected shadows respect boundaries. Detect fakes. Adobe tools 90% accuracy. Truth filters verified shadows combat lies. Green AI. Efficient models cut energy 50%. Sustainable tech eco-friendly shadows lighten load. Arms control. Laws ban campaigns. Peace treaties disarm shadows. Prevent horror. Oversight boards. Company ethics reviews. Accountability. Watch shadows behave. Awareness. Media campaigns educate risks. Informed public enlightened shadows guide. Safety research. Anthrax-like AI tests. Robustness fortified shadows endure. Global coup. UN AI for good. Shared standards united shadows harmonize. User role. Ethical use question outputs. Responsibility empowered shadows choose wisely. AGI paths. Benevolent or rogue. Scenarios branch destined shadows for. Enhancement. AI augments bodies minds. Cyborg era. Evolved shadows transcend. Economy shift. UB from AI productivity. $13 GDP. Add redistributed shadows equalize wealth. Science boom. AlphaFold proteins solve. 200 EM structures discovery shadows, unlock secrets. Culture evolve. AI music art trends. New Renaissance cultural shadows reinvent traditions. Governance. AI advises policies. Singapore uses efficient shadows rule justly. Daily integration. Assistants schedule lives. Seamless intimate shadows companion. Overcome limits. Compute ethics barriers. Innovation pushes conquering shadows advance. Inspire action. Experts call responsible dev. TED shadows motivate change. Learn now. Code ethics engage AI. Future yours engaged shadows shape destiny. Responsible build. Guideline safety first. Developers heed. Safe shadows create. Question impacts. Debate pros cons. Critical think questioning shadows balance. Support ethics. Choose aligned companies. Vote wallet supportive shadows align. Stay updated. Follow mid-arxif news. Knowledge arms informed shadows empower. Join communities. Reddit AI ethics forums. Discuss share connected shadows collaborate. Use mindfully. Set AI limits. Privacy. Balance life mindful shadows harmonize. Advocate regs. Petition governments. Voice matters advocating shadows influence. Educate others. Explain family friends. Spread awareness teaching shadows enlighten. Innovate safe. Brainstorm ethical ideas. Create positive innovative shadows build. Vision harmony. AI humans coexist. Balanced world visionary shadows. Unite. Recap journey. From Turing to AGI. Shadows evolve. Recapped paths walk. Impacts dual. Heal divide. Create destroy. Nuanced shadows reveal truths. Challenges remain. Ethics tech gaps. Navigate wisely. Challenging shadows confront. Hope endures. Experts optimists guide. Positive force hopeful shadows light. Act now. Subscribe discuss learn. Shape AI. Action shadows mobilize. Credits. Sources Statista. nitxaa.ec. Thanks watching credited shadows acknowledge. Next. AI in space shadows. Stay tuned teasing shadows intrigue. Turing quote. Can machines think? Question lingers quoting shadows ponder. AI shadow ever present. Evolving with us final shadows dissolve. Subscribe shadow expose docs. Explore more shadows ending call engage.